What's up, guys? This is a series of videos that are going to be covering intertextuality. And more specifically, they're going to answer the question, what is intertextuality? This first video will cover some basic definitions of the word and some of the ways that we might be able to use it. So for starters, the word can be used in a few different ways. But looking at the word itself, inter is a prefix, meaning between or among or together. And that might be manually or reciprocally. And you'll often see it before words as a prefix such as international or intercept. Text is a word we use quite often in English. It'll refer to things such as a novel, a film, poem, short story, a play, or even things like a drawing or a painting. A Google definition that I found was the main body of a book or other piece of writing. Writing in this situation is not just referring to written work, but could also mean things like drawings and paintings, where someone has essentially written that just in a different form of language. Now, along the left, you see three different contextual words of intertextuality. The first being intertext, which we can use as a verb. All right, might also be a noun at times as well. Intertextual, more often used as an adjective, and intertextuality, the study of what we're doing, which is the noun. Now, at this stage, you're probably still confused. So let's give you some kind of example for it. The movie Inception. Now, this movie had the concept of a dream within a dream. So the characters would essentially infiltrate the dreams of people and go down on these different levels of dreams. Intertextuality can be looked at in a very similar way, except instead of dreams, it's a text within a text. If you want to get a little bit more specific, a story within a story. And that often will mean the influence of one story onto another, but can also mean the suggestion of one on another, or the influence. So SACE have given us a definition as well, and that is the shaping of a text, meaning by the reading of other texts, or the interrelationship of texts. There's that word inter again. Still very wordy and very confusing. So we'll give you some examples of intertextuality and the different types of intertextuality that you will come across. Now, in English, you're likely to come across three in particular: appropriation, allusion, and parody. Over the next few videos, I'll be breaking these down and giving you specific examples of where you may have seen these in the past, and also give you some ideas of what you may do in your intertextual studies. I'll see you in the next video.